What's up, guys? We're back with another unboxing. We're gonna be unboxing my dishwasher again. My sister got a new Stanley Cup, obviously. This is where all the cups go and like the bowls. The spoons and the knives once again. We found the Stanley Cup straw. The popcorn bowls go down there. Here we go again. Mission success. The big bowls. Another big bowl. We've acquired another water bottle. By the way, we have a lot of water bottles. First rack done. This is what it looks like. I did some unboxing off camera. We got the wet Tupperware containers. We've acquired the last thing of the Stanley Cup. W's. I can now reach the top. Yippee! Cheese grater down there. Pans up here. The common dad mug. Not so many knives. We finished. Good unboxing. Got a legendary.